Save the forest. We have used and abused our planet for all these years, keeping a blind eye to all environmental fears. Today, we have reached a stage. This is where nature is in a state of complete rage. Mountains and glaciers are melting like wax. We human beings are yet to acknowledge the facts. Our rivers are littered and contaminated beyond repair. We are living right beside them, but do not hear the cries of despair. Do you feel this is fair? We have been destroying planet Earth layer by layer. The time has come to set this right, to follow your dreams, to build a forest fight. It is not for others. You need to do this, my friend. It is us making this earth livable before it all ends. Planting trees and regrowing forests. It is indeed an activity that is one of the purest. Today we fight for clean air. We need to wear masks so our lungs can repair. Let's not be spectators in this dare. Be bystanders. Watch the planet fall apart and glare. Let us promise to make this earth forever green. It is a distant reality today. Let us make it a wishful dream. We will need to join hands together. Promise to change this attitude and destruction forever. Let us change and make the pledge to plant trees and clean our air and waters. Let us give planet Earth a new life, preserve for our future sons and daughters.